YouTube channel. Today we are playing
Don't press the button. Oh, we died. We didn't see the lasers, so this is take 2. Today we're playing
Don't
press the button. Oh my god.
Oh no.
Quick.
Red.
Should we go red one?
Oh
Okay.
no.
Go to one of the corners. Let's see.
Oh no, please don't be this one.
Oh my gosh. Ah,
Yay!
Good job. Oh good.
Blue.
You go blue. I'm going green.
4,
Let's see.
2.
Oh no, you're gonna fall. Jump. Yay!
Yay! That was so close, guys.
Oh,
Yellow.
Which one? Should I go yellow?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, good fall.
3, 2, 1. Jump.
Yay!
You're doing so good.
Oh, again? Oh no.
You said
Good job. Who's gonna press it?
Yeah, oh, he...
Nope. You guys died.
Oh.
Ah.
The person...
I'll tell you a trick. Just keep on jumping on top. Just keep on jumping. That's
Yeah,
how
I
you
know.
get more points. Everyone's on. Ah, somebody pushed me. Get away. Get away. Oh, okay. Oh no! Somebody pushed me.
I pushed you.
Oi! Oi! Get back right here.
Okay.
I got 32 points.
I got 0 points.
No, cause it's because
Just
I was
joking.
jumping.
Oh, no,
Get to the. Oh no.
Oh no!
Yeah.
Hit.
She's gonna die. She died. Quick.
Quick. Jump. Why is he going?
Oh, there.
No, dude.
Come on, go. Hide. 3, 2, 1. There it is.
Yeah, the right time.
Quick. Hide.
3,
2,
1.
1. Hello.
Hello. There it is.
Go. I'm gonna risk it.
Look at those
I'm
people.
gonna risk it.
He died.
No. Where is it? Oh, we're not gonna make it.
No.
Oh, we're so close.
How does the other people get to the
Because
top?
they used the spring, remember?
Oh.
We have to find the... Who found it?
Oh.
Head inside the temple and open the treasure chest. Who's gonna open it? Do we have to do it individually?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh my god.
Oh, I just died, dude. I'm so bad at parkour, guys.
Ah! I fell!
Yo.
What the...
Seriously, only 10 coins. That's good. 6, 5, 4, 3. Yes, I made it!
I opened it just last minute.
I literally got it in the 15th second attempt.
Oh,
Then I went back in the last second.
that's good. Whoa!
Yo!
Oh my gosh, jump. Oh.
Oh, when I was about to jump, guys,
Mhm.
it just went off.
Who pressed the button?
I think I
Cross
did.
the road. Oh, careful.
What road?
This road. Oh my god.
Oh!
Oh my gosh. We're gonna crash.
Dude!
Are we gonna crash?
Dude!
Ah, I died.
No, dude.
Green to green.
So, blue, where does blue go to?
Yellow to yellow.
Yay!
Yay! We've done it. Woohoo.
Woohoo!
Woohoo.
Woohoo!
Are you gonna
Guys.
press it?
Yeah, I
Oh,
pressed
you
it.
pressed it first. Get on the platform.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I was second when I knew.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, we only survived.
Yep. I pressed it first.
Oh god. Let's see. What is it?
Oh
it?
no, Boldy.
Oh no! Get away
Boldy, get away,
from me!
please.
Get away from me!
Let me make him fool.
Get away from me!
Boldy! Come. Boldy!
Come here!
Boldy!
Come
We
get
live,
me.
we love, we lie.
Come get me. Come get me. He's only chasing that girl.
To the end of sound. There's a ghost inside me.
Ready to play spinning the cube
Oh no. Dog.
again.
Oh no. I'm gonna die.
I'm gonna try you don't
No.
fall.
No, I'm just lagging.
Just jump, jump, jump,
Jump,
jump,
jump,
jump,
jump,
jump,
jump, jump, jump.
jump, jump,
Deep
jump,
in
jump,
the
jump.
dark, I don't need no light. There's a ghost inside me. Guys, why am I singing in every video?
Don't know. You tell me.
I don't know why I'm.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my
This
god.
is getting kind of crazy.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
The cube, no!
Did you guys die?
Yeah.
Ah. Oh my gosh, it's only me.
Oh, Tassimia XX1.
Yay!
No, I was so close. I literally the second one.
Trivia question. Oh god.
What?
In what year was Don't Press the Button created? 2019?
2000.
Yay!
Yay!
Mhm.
Oh yeah. Oh. God, that's funny.
Mhm.
Even in 2018, I think.
Did anybody press the button? No.
Seriously.
Oh, I have to push the
buttons.
Push.
No, push.
Push it. Guys,
it.
push. Push the button.
Yes, I pushed it. Push
Push it.
1. Push 2. Push 3. Push 4. Guys, it's getting kind of crazy, the bums. Because it's going too fast, guys.
Mhm.
Deep in it.
Oh my
Oh my gosh, why
Is
is that song stuck in my head, guys?
What's it a lot?
Yeah, there's a lot, dude.
Yay!
Yeah,
We've done
we
it!
all win, I think.
Teamwork, eh?
Yeah.
Teamwork.
That's funny.
Oh, we have to do this.
Oh, no, dude.
So
No.
she can make us a cake.
Deep in the dark. I don't.
Yes, got it.
Yes, I gotta cook. Deep in the dark. I don't need no light. There's a ghost inside me.
Look at me!
Look.
Do you not see me?
Here.
Ooh, cake.
Yummy. Guys, I'm going to trip my auntie off.
You can't. Haha.
Ah!
Ah!
What the? That literally scared me.
Same. I thought that was you who did that to me.
What is that?
Oh look, now I tripped by the
I
banana.
fell, guys.
Oh my gosh. Oh my.
Guys, I
I fell too.
fell. Same. Wait, how are we still alive?
I have no idea.
I want to
It's
go.
still going.
Ah!
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh gosh. That's so scary. Actually, it's fun. It's fun.
There's something wrong with me.
It's like the air is windy.
I'm stuck.
Air the balloon.
Look at me.
Deep
Look at me on the floor.
There's a ghost inside me.
Can't you see me? Look. I can't get up. I'm dead. Just hit me. Just hit me. Oh, people are killing me as well. What they hit me, you know.
Yeah, it's so funny.
No, seriously, what is going on?
The bacon head was hitting you.
Oh my. Wait, let this round finish and let's see if I'm still like that or not.
Okay,
But seriously, what is wrong with me?
I found 6. Guys.
Even that guy is just looking at me like, what the hell's wrong with this
Yeah,
person?
it's like a TV ride, I think. Him one.
Am I still on the floor?
Are you on the...
Yeah. Wait, let me reset my character.
Yeah. Reset.
There, I'm back to normal.
Yep.
Finally.
Yep.
It's okay. Gwen Chana. trivia question.
Guys, just joking.
How many A's are there in avocado? 2, isn't it?
Yay!
Yeah, because it says it there. It says it's how many A's. It shows the word.
Where?
Oh, we have to click the button. 3, 2, 1. Click, 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 click.
I'm clicking so much. Guys, I'm clicking so many times.
Same.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Let's see. 136.
Dude,
Oh
that was,
my
oh
God.
my.
Oh, get ready for the spinning.
Oh my, why is it this again?
Let's try you don't fall, okay?
Oh no, oh
Just
no.
even jumping.
At least you made it. Dude. No. No. That was so close, guys. Deep in the dark, I don't need no light. There's a ghost inside me.
Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Wow, why is it going round and round? Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Help me, dude.
Wow.
Oh my.
Yay, we made
Yay!
it. We all did. We all
Yeah, I made it.
Good job.
Oh
Oh
no.
God. Okay. Let's see.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
The middle one.
I think so, that one.
Yes, it is the middle one.
Let's see. Choose. I got 3, 2, 1. Let's see if we got the correct one. Yay! I got the correct one.
No! I got the wrong one, dude.
Yes, got a point. 10
No.
points. What happened to you?
I chose the wrong one, guys.
What did he do?
He like,
Pulled a thingy and then you fell.
yeah, and I flew up into the air, then went to go down.
Oh, careful, careful.
I wasn't even ready, dude.
Somebody hear me.
Deep in the dark.
Let's see.
Pardon me, guys.
What is this? Oh, God. You know what? You know what?
We were just going.
Yeah, we didn't care. Ooh, we were just running.
We were just running, guys. So funny, dude.
Yeah, we didn't care.
Node. I node that.
What up,
Little banana
dog?
cup.
Open the door.
Oh, do you know that thing? That's a meme.
Yeah. Open the door.
Subscribe if you know Beauty and the Beach by Justin Bieber. That's my favorite song ever, guys.
Wait. Young Money.
Nicki Minaj.
Justin.
Show you up.
Dun, dun,
Tonight I want to show you up.
dun, dun, dun.
What you got?
Boom, boom.
I'm really good at never bug. We got a body like that.
Oh, what's 10 plus 10? 21? That's another meme. That was another meme. Oh, I got a pinky pink.
I got blue one that's in front of my face. I already put it.
Yay. 10 points.
I got 10 points.
You know what I got? I got Young Money.
Oh my.
Nicki Minaj.
Do you know that meme?
Justin.
Yeah, that I just did.
The meme was Kehoe from P1 Harmony.
Tonight I want to show you off.
Oh my God, it's so bad. I died.
What you got?
I died.
A billion could have never bought.
Oh my gosh. You're singing.
Listen,
Listen to me.
I want to show you
Listen to me, boy.
the things I like. So discover the
My ears.
Tonight I'm coming by you. I'm coming by you. 'Cause
You made me die.
I don't care
Listen to
if
your
I made you die. I don't care if I made you die. I'm just joking. When the music makes you move. I already found one.
What is it?
Keys.
Find keys.
Well, how do you do it?
Okay.
How
found
do you
one.
do it?
Where do we put it?
How do you do it? Dude.
Where?
Where do we put it?
Where?
Whoever was doing it by Daffy poop, okay?
Yeah.
I'm joking, guys. Just like and subscribe if whoever made it.
What is wrong with this? Try walking the correct path.
I'm just going.
To the end.
How did I do that?
To the end of time.
There's a ghost inside me.
Yeah.
Deep in the dark, I don't need no light. We live, we love, we lie. Seriously? Bruh.
Yay.
I didn't even make it, dude.
I did. Memorize the notes being played. How? Oh.
Full one. Full one. Yay! You didn't show the numbers.
Oh, I couldn't see because, oh my gosh.
Oh gosh. Hey,
Oh my gosh, we're small but we're fast.
bye.
Yellow.
Yellow.
I'm going yellow.
7, 6, 5. Yep.
Is
I'm
it-
dead. We're dead.
You're dead. Whoa.
Please.
Yay! Which one? Blue?
Blue.
If we die, they die too.
Yeah. This guy dies.
Gonna die with us. Oh no.
Oh no, dude.
Should we go green?
Yeah. He's following us.
Yeah. He's so cute. Look at him.
Yeah.
Teamwork.
He's like a butterfly. Yay!
33 points.
And we're saying dog.
Wait, let me reset my character.
Why? Oh no, we have to fight the skeletons.
Because there's something wrong. Wait.
Yo, we're doing so good. Zombies. What are zombies? So skeletons are more, guys. Okay, guys. So my auntie, so Tassia said that her phone wasn't like properly working. So I'm sorry, guys. She had to leave. So, but I was still in the game, guys.
Yep, I'm here now.
Yeah, she's there now.
Apologies. There was a problem with the sound. So here's some music to your ears. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more Roblox games. Stay safe, bye. A woo jump scare.